tanggapannya setelah keliling? Apa ya? Setelah keliling?
What's your opinion after you go around here? Can you give some review? Short review? That's okay.
Oh, it's just it's more different than I thought. I thought it was gonna be much more like I told you, right?
Yeah.
Rice fields.
Not
Small houses.
not that it's
integrated.
Yeah.
Now it's like a real village.
Yeah.
With streets and houses and kind of like mini shops. Didn't expect that. But I think it's really nice.
Mbaknya mikir kalau misalkan di sini tuh full sawah,
Kayak
awalnya
nama kampung atau desa gitu,
karena
Pak.
kampung dipikirnya tuh full sawah, tapi ternyata udah terintegrasi, udah perumahan, rumahnya juga tersusun gitu loh Pak, bukan yang amburadul. Ada banyak kayak minimarket,
kayak apa? Tempat ekonomi ya, kayak
kayak yang
berjualan.
tadi Ijem, terus Pak Nono Galeri ini kan juga berjual. Katanya bagus tempatnya.
Iya.
Ada yang kritik atau sarannya mungkin kritik?
Is there any criticism or advice for like
Really good. I'm impressed. Ya katanya ini bagus banget, mbaknya terkesan sama kampung ini.
Tapi kalau dikritik kita jauh lebih baik, lebih senang. Jadi supaya kita bisa mengevaluasi diri.
mungkin karena berbeda Pak. Di sana kan tidak sering konsepnya, terus karena menurut konsep seperti ini jadi mereka insight baru juga buat mereka. Jadi bagi mereka juga nggak ada komparasi, perbandingan mana yang bagus, mana yang ini, karena kan dari sana juga belum ada gambarannya.
Politician because it's more good for them, so they can evaluate themselves. But we say to him because the environment is quite different, the buildings and everything is different, so you can compare each other in Sweden and in here.
Mungkin barangkali ada yang di sana bisa diterapkan di sini, mungkin sesuatu hal mungkin.
Did you think is there something that can be implemented in here
Untuk pengelolaan sampah atau untuk pekerjaan wanita atau apa gitu.
for the woman empowerment, for the everything, management, everything? Or maybe for the infrastructure. Is there any infrastructure they have to build?
Since you are civil engineer,
That's hard because the climate is very different.
benar-benar.
So we don't know really how to adapt to like the humidity
Yeah,
and
yeah,
the
yeah,
rain and stuff. So I think these buildings are much more appropriate for that than we have done.
Katanya karena perbedaan cuaca.
Berani klaim di sana dan di sini.
Kan kalau di sana kan winter gitu-gitu loh, kayak apa? Musim dingin, salju gitu-gitu loh Pak. Jadi dari mungkin kalau dari pengolahan sampah dan lain-lain mbaknya nggak bisa karena mbaknya kan dari teknik sipil. Nah kalau misalkan dari tempat ini udah mbaknya udah
Paling
bagus,
cocok
paling
untuk
cocok dengan
situasi
cuaca, iklim di sini.
di Surabaya ini, Pak. Jadi menurut mereka udah paling bagus seperti itu.
Ya sudah.
The campus is much more developed than we thought it would be. So we're like a bit of in shock. Like, wow, this is better than we thought.
Oh, oke.
They have established like the environmental thinking. I didn't expect that. Like how they actually collect the trash. So they're very they have
Positive surprise.
all this like decorations, plastic and stuff.
Ya mereka kayak kagum gitu Pak, karena di sini tuh semuanya terintegrasi, terus mereka nggak nyangka bakal
Seberkembang ini
Seberkembang
maksudnya
ini,
di kampung ini tuh
semua hal itu dimanfaatkan gitu, jadi
dari-
nggak sampai ada yang sampah segala macam. Jadi mereka mikir semua hal itu kayak di detailing, benar, udah matang lah konsepnya di sini.
Mudah-mudahan mbak-mbaknya ini bisa datang lagi ke sini untuk
Oke.
bisa kami diberikan ilmu gitu.
Oke, siap.
We hope you can come
Visit here
Yeah.
again
so
because
you can give another advice for
Yes.
Yes.
I have one question about the technical, if they have any technical solutions. and we talked about it during the interview, and you talked about
all the
plastic.
eco brick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? And is it like their next step or?
So the eco brick, it's their next step. They want to achieve more about because they just have an eco brick step to start.
Aku
They
rekam,
want to
Bapak
place
masuk.
it in another point about the eco brick. Eco brick is actually a plastic that you go in the bottle and
Yeah.
you press it until it's really
Ya, itu.
really heavy with plastic.
Pas grabnya datang.
You use the plastic bag.
Okay. You can use it like building material.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
It can be like a fence,
Oh yeah.
a
Yeah.
fence,
Yeah.
or maybe fiber, coffee
Yeah,
metal.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can use it for that.
Ya, selesai. Terima kasih. Thank you. Ya, grabnya sudah datang.
Are you going with us? No.
No, you have to go to campus.
Oh yeah.
We ride a bike.
Take you around.
We will contact you if
Grabnya ya. Putar, putar, ayo, mundur.